Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a wolf skull, Halloween wolf skull, like a werewolf skull, and that's what we're gonna do. So simple, easy for beginners. So follow with me. It's a very short video, maybe like 6-7 minutes, something like that. So, all right. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the front snout of the wolf skull itself on the top. So curve right here, kind of like a slightly line going upward, up over there, curve back. Go over here to the front, to the nasal cavity, and then down to kind of more the teeth. Curving down, pulling back. There's this crest kind of the back of his head. And we pull down here. Gonna draw a little bit of a curve upward right there for kind of the back of the skull. And the way the skull works is the eye kind of it resides in this area, and we'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna pull down, curve, and then line over here. All right. Now I'm going to draw an eyeball, like the eyeball here. What would be creepy if it's looking this way? Let's like this. Circle. Put a little square right here for the highlight. And circle around here. Fill it in. Line, line, line for kind of like the striations in that eye. Down, curve up, down right here, and fill it in. Curve down, back for the zygomatic arch, down, curve. Over here on this side, down here, up for kind of that fang area, for that canine. And I'm gonna go over here and continue kind of that with smaller teeth, right? Along, kind of going along the edge over here, all the way to this point. Right on. Over here would be, there's kind of like a dimple right there. By the way, hit the like button if you like this kind of drawing, like for Halloween. Share the video. That's the biggest thing you can possibly do. Share the video somewhere. It's huge that you do that. And I put some free stuff in the description for you guys. There's a free how to draw cute ebook. So if you want to take anything, whether it be Dracula or monsters or whatever, and then make them cute, you can do that with that ebook. It's 100% free. It's ready to print, and it's all visual. It's all story, it's all visuals. So you can just look at it, the chart. There's just charts really, and then you'll know how to draw cute forever, pretty much. So go 100% free. That's in the description, and pick up that ebook. Down right here, down right here, down right here, down right here, for the teeth in the front there. So far, so good. Also, I put an Amazon wish list. Go take a look at that. If you want to contribute to the channel, like buy me a coffee if you like what I'm doing here. I put a wish list there that's 100% art supplies that I just use on, the channel here, pretty much. So go check that out. It's just literally you're just donating the channel, for the channel really. Curve over here, down. Out over here, pull back down. So it's like that. It's just a nasal cavity, very similar to like a regular human skull. And then we're gonna fill that in with the marker here. By the way, here's another thing I want you to do. If you have a good idea for like a drawing lesson, let me know and I'll do it. I'm doing a lot of drawing lessons the next till Halloween. So, all right. Pull down. Curve back, down, back of the jaw. And then we're gonna go over here and curve down for the bottom teeth here, underneath, pull back down, right on. So let's find where the bottom row of teeth connect. here. And let's find a line over here for where the top row of teeth connect into the gums. So maybe something like this, right? Just, it can be flat. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, right? Just make sure it looks like it's connecting into the gums there. And then same thing with the bottom teeth. Just kind of make it, separate each tooth individually. That's going to definitely help, the impression of that. And we want to add a shadow right here. So curve down and add a shadow down here. Curve down here, back, and over here. A line here. And now we're going to throw a little bit of some cracks, like stuff. Oh, let's throw like a dimple down here, temples. But then there's like kind of like very thin lines kind of around the skull as it comes, as it forms together. So you can kind of throw those thin lines maybe over here around the tooth area. And those thin lines are just there for detail's sake, right? Yeah, there you go. It's really just there for detail's sake. It'll be it's fun to kind of do this pretty much. All right, line up over here, line over here. But yeah, good stuff. Almost done here. Again, these details, they're thinner lines, so they're secondary lines, and they're easy to add on to almost anything. You can add them on a pumpkin, you can add them on, especially for something that's spooky or scary, right? Right, these thin lines, and make sure they're just kind of in the directional flow or that they show off the form. But yeah, what I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you can. Sharing the video does a lot for the channel. Keeps me up on what you guys like, because I can tell when you guys share it. Share it anywhere you want. Share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, share it on I don't know, anything you can share it on. It will do a lot. See how it gives it character right here? Just us doing this, kind of these thin lines. Don't overdo it, but right, because if you overdo it, it will kind of break the whole drawing at one point. But what I want you to do is I want you to stick around and do another video with me. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.